Are you struggling to come up with content ideas for your YouTube videos? Whether you're just starting a YouTube channel or you're a seasoned veteran, it's still sometimes difficult to come up with new ideas for a new video. Instead of just staring at a blank computer screen, hoping for new ideas to come to your mind, I'm going to give you 21 YouTube content ideas you can use right now. My name is Herman Drost from drostdesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Number 1, how-to tutorials. On my channel, the most popular videos I create are how-to tutorials. For example, how to do keyword research, how to create an engaging video, how to optimize YouTube videos. Number 2, demonstrations. The second most popular videos that I create for my channel are demonstrations of computer software or tech gadgets. This makes it easier for my audience to discover how things work so they can easily do it themselves. Number 3, reviews. When a new product comes out, people want to get your recommendation and find out how it works. This is a perfect opportunity to review the product and capitalize on the curiosity of people who want to know about it. Number 4, collabs. When you collaborate with another YouTube channel, you can expose your content to their audience and they can expose their content to your audience. If you do this, you can get more views and subscribers by cross-pollinating your channels. Number 5, case studies. Your audience loves to see what's successfully working in your business. For example, I recently created a case study video where I showed how to do keyword research using the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy. Number 6, behind the scenes. Create a tour of your video studio so people will know how you set up your camera, lighting, tripods, etc. Number 7, comparisons. Create a video that compares 2 different software or 2 different products so it makes it easy for your audience to decide what to get. Number 8, industry trends. If you jump on a hot trend in your industry, you can get a lot of views and subscribers in a short amount of time. For example, when YouTube changed the monetization requirements for YouTube channel, I created a video on how to generate revenue without AdSense ads. As a result, I got a ton of traffic and a lot of new views and subscribers. Number 9, news. If you're subscribed to Google Alerts in your industry, you can always get new news about what's happening. When you create a video on the news that is just breaking in your industry, you can get a lot of views and subscribers in a very short time. Number 10, answers to viewers' questions. Many times viewers will ask questions in the comments of your videos. This is a perfect opportunity to interact with your audience and answer their questions. This also means that you'll never run out of ideas. You can also motivate people to interact in the comments by asking them questions. Number 11, lists. When you come up with a topic that your audience is interested in, you can create a list type video. This could be a list of things that solve their problem. Number 12, commentary or rant. Perhaps there's a topic that's weighing heavily on your mind and you want to rant about it or give a commentary about it. Your audience may be very interested in your viewpoint and wondering what you have to say. Number 13, live streams. Live streams are a great way to interact with your audience and answer their burning questions. A great benefit of live streams is that you don't have to edit your video afterwards. Number 14, interviews. Interviews are a great way to interview experts in your niche. It adds variety to your channel and the audience of the expert may even want to watch the video on your channel. This will help to grow your audience because you're exposing your channel to their audience. Number 15, tentpole events. If there's a special event or conference that you're about to attend, why not do a preview of the event? Number 16, vlogging. So if you're attending an event or conference in your niche, why don't you vlog about it? You can just take out your smartphone and record your journey. This will add a bit of variety to your channel and I'm sure your audience will love you for it. Number 17, series content. Instead of creating one video on one topic, why not think of a particular theme that you can create a series of videos about? If you do this, you might be able to create a series of videos for the whole month. After you create a series of videos, you can add them to an official playlist on your channel so people can binge watch your videos. Number 18, storytelling. Instead of doing a tutorial type video, think about telling a story in your video so it keeps people engaged all the way through your video. For example, you could tell your personal story about how you got started on YouTube. Number 19, mindset videos. Everyone in business or on YouTube has a story to tell about the ups and downs of creating videos. Therefore, there's a great opportunity for you to create videos about how you stay motivated and inspired. Number 20, pros and cons. When people purchase a product or software, they want to know the pros and cons before they spend their money. This is a perfect opportunity to compare the 2 different products. For example, I compared a $20 mic with the Rode SmartLav Plus mic. Number 21, milestone video. Create a video that outlines all the lessons you learned in order to achieve this milestone. For example, when I reached 30,000 subscribers, I did a video on how to get 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. Here's a bonus idea. Recreate outdated videos. If you've been uploading videos to your channel for quite some time, there's a possibility that many of them have become outdated, or you want to redo them because they don't look professional anymore. Use this opportunity to recreate the video and get more views and subscribers by getting more rankings. You now have over 21 new video ideas that you can start using right away. Let me ask you an important question. What do you do when you get stuck for content ideas for a new video? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.